You don't feel that one to us, okay, now, brother Austin, I bet help me. If you help me go that place for Frankfurt order, the car what she did, go talk to the immigration for there. Say, you work and go Nigeria, may you pay the bill. You tell me, say, now what you want to do, now you will feed do. It doesn't work like that, my brother. Now make me not the last again. Me not the last again. You know that one, sir?
Bro, you don't talk now. Now, I'm not talk. Bro, if you need not the true effort, so you just go home. I cannot tell you. At the true effort, at the kind of solution, I'm the one you maybe just go home, whether they go keep.
Hello? I know that if you follow you the knocker, where you go say now you walk up back ticket for me to go Nigeria. Now you know before.
Wait, make the man, make it talk, make the man.
I hear you. Me, they hear you. Talk to me. Now me, they talk to me. I hear you.
No, let me call you. They see this guy condition, no. You understand?
Yes.
I said everything to you.
Yes.
You understand? Bro, we not anything. Anything when the one you can't get, go. I go show up. Go home. No, so we don't do that. I don't say just capable. They hear people that make me call you. But this always they tell me, don't ask me. Are you not there? I'm not there. I don't know the question of you. I'm better. We don't know. We reach here. We say we make them apart. They make us put our two for one place. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want.
And because they put that two for one place now, and they get asset, may they put that two for one place. And now the guy not come there okay now. The guy they mad now. So and the guy they mad now. So you're not supposed to come the. All the ones they remove yourself for the matter, my brother. You understand? I want you to understand. Thank you.
Bro, I don't remove myself for inside the matter. I don't call his brother. I don't call his family. I don't call maybe. His family said, bro, not be that one there. I won't talk. I don't call maybe. I don't think his brother, this Kenya, they will give you number. Say, call me, rouse your. Once this guy your future condition be now you will extend you now they tell me that me not that this sense you get this you know that okay the guy say the man not he come out not you know they tell about a sister they will say the guy don't make the man now they say the rest like that now the man now try so to marry now you go say to me they can come so they not find man okay the man if you want to joy matter, bro, how you try? I don't buy you for both big and for
You want to listen to me? Abi, you want to talk to the brother? I don't understand. You want to listen to me? Now you carry this matter call give me. I want to tell you the way forward. You understand? Because me, I not be jealous person. When we say I'll from here go Frankfurt order, at the end of the day, you yourself could be like say it not concern you. You understand? What I try to tell you?
Bro, you confirm me. Let me call you. If you read yourself, they know me. They confirm me. Let me make me call you.
No, they know you know important. They know you not be the problem here now. Nobody they know you be the problem. And they get problem. That be the problem here. Nobody they know you. Nobody that be the problem. You understand? The problem be say definitely if one guy that get go Nigeria, you will pay the cost of everything. Now what I want to tell you, you will pay the cost. You know why? Earlier the better. Wait now. Not be bro, wait. Earlier the better. You understand? Because this guy, they bear papa name. When you know marry him. If anything happen to this girl, the family will hold you responsible. You understand?
Even when you go see you are responsible. Because thy papa is the beer, automatically don't become his brother. You don't become his sister.
You tell me now you give her belly for this station.
Give her your papa name.
Now you give her belly for this station. I forgive her belly.
Give her belly. Sell for Italy. Carry her go Germany. Don't give her belly.
You see that rubbish. You say me they tell you rubbish, right?
Give her your papa name.
You go mad.
You say me they tell you rubbish, right?
One after the other. Let's be orderly.
Benefit of you.
No
Now that woman take carry belly.
He gets a lot to talk.
Both of you.
Big queen.
For two of you. Not now you give her belly. Carry belly come Germany come born.
Mr. Big Queen.
One has go take a greener pressure. Today, you don't get belle, you don't dey craze. Now because of belle, now you carry her go hospital. Your pregnancy wey you give her, now you carry her go hospital. Where the girl take land for the condition where she dey. Now madness they go end your life for this country. They go bury you for this country. They go wear black for you for this country. If the people no want change, if una see Benin, una go frustrate them finish.
Big queen.
Now rubbish is the talk, now rubbish. You don't care for that girl.
Shut up your mouth.
It's whether I don't make people don't friend for you friend them. When you know that people don't friend, why you go friend them?
Why
Now
you
you
go
do
for
that,
belle?
Mona, wait.
Bro, if I don't know what I want to bro, if I want to carry go tell you, someone go give, go pay you not for them. Because they need them, I get them, I put them 5 years, before I need them. You know,
What you try to talk now? I don't understand.
bro, you know that, I don't think it's I feel for years, support and buy now, the family they send and I go support. Don't tell me they have the expenses, bro, don't concern me expenses. Maybe they call it up, I don't carry anything to come, and no need me come, we see I'm still friend, I'm normal.
Yeah, you see, I see me friend, normal. Not be you born, not be your pikin. Not be your pikin, na person born. If you know, as it dey Italy, people wait now. As it dey Italy, all boys for Italy they friend and they fuck am, okay? But she no mad. She no mad. Now when you reach your turn, wait now, according to you. Now when you reach your turn now when you reach your turn now, you want fuck her now. You can't call Germany. You call the man for Germany.
You all dey see for that madness.
Now your word that they use against you, so now your word that is against you. I want wait. I don't mute her for this side. I want use the word against them. I want use the word against them. I wanna give her time. Now spray they not get paper. I wanna wait. I want use the word against them. I dey record them.
God punish you. Not go better for you.
Okay.
Can you imagine?
Now I don't hear your own side, okay? I don't hear your own side. You say okay, you want block me? I not saying message before. Listen, let me tell you something, eh? Let me tell you something. What I'll tell you last though, eh? Let me tell you something. I tell you so, eh? Wait now, wait. Let me tell you something. If you know, if this guy, if I don't see your number, and at this your number, I will go give her to police right away. On Monday, I will give your number to police because of you, eh? That Frankfurt order, I dey go there. That Frankfurt order, I dey go there because of you. Okay? Now you go tell no, say not be everybody. Nobody talk to anyhow for phone. That Frankfurt order will go there. And I you say you did. And I number be this one, and they will track you and they will deport you. Watch and see. Okay? They will deport you. You understand? You are a bad person. You are a bad person. You are more bug, but more than a boy, more than a useless person. Now useless person, more person. You know what's PK bomb? This guy knows PK bomb. You know what's PK bomb? This guy knows PK bomb. What about bug again now? What about bug again now? What about bug again now? I can't know more. Well, what bad guy? You know what's PK bomb? This one PK, you know what's PK bomb? That guy go run leave him. That guy go run leave him. PK know what's bomb. You know what's PK bomb? This guy knows PK bomb. PK know what's PK bomb. This boy. PK know what's bomb. You understand? The way you do this one so, let's do your sister. Who am me my bomb? What about PK now? What about PK? This idiot. He can't call me. Demon. He can never be well with you. He can never be well with you. He not go better for you. It's not better for you. It's not better for your papa. Your papa. It's not better for your papa. It's not better for you. Your papa not better for your papa. That woman you marry so. That woman not vote for you. That woman not typically vote for you. It not vote for you. That woman not typically vote for you. If that one pregnant for you, that pikin will pay. If that one vote for you, that pikin will pay. It not vote for you. You know what vote for your life. The way you condemn this woman's life, that's why your life will take condemn. You will condemn. Your life will condemn. That's why you take condemn. Your life will condemn. You know what you go for your hand. Pikin will run for your hand. It will run for your wife hand. You understand? Now God will punish you. You understand? Now God will punish you. Now God will punish you. You understand? Who am me my God? Now God will punish you. You know what better for your life. Now you want to end the generation. Now you want to end down. That's the way you did so. They will carry your coffee, go Nigeria like that. That's the way you did so. They will carry your coffee. They will bury you for free for there very soon. You know what better for you. You understand? That's paid for them. That they will bury you, put. They will bury you for there. You go there to take bodies get life. That's why your life will take square. That's why your life will create destroy. You know what better for you. Pikin will they run for you day and night. That your wife will take one man so. Pikin will they run for that your wife. You know, say pikin born, God will punish you.
Very useless boy.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? You see, say me, I don't know my kind of person. I don't know my kind of person. Where this guy carry this matter come give me? Okay, the matter I sleep this afternoon about this matter. When I sleep this afternoon about this matter, I said no. Let me just play a card. Let me see if this guy is a nice person. Okay. Now I want you to carry matter come give person. Now another thing to know if this person is a good person. You understand? So I want to tell the face of this guy. I said, okay, make I call this guy because why? If they send me message, let me go Frankfurt order. May I go meet immigration? Say it's the same me the capable. So now, me they tell her that's okay. Now, what you go do? If it be say I want to go Frankfurt order, definitely I want to request say may the deporter go Nigeria, right? But you will pay the cost. I said the guy yours spark.
Yeah, I will reach you.
You see what I mean? No, what I mean? No, how many people don't fuck the girl?
No,
if I reach the tongue. What I mean? No, how many people don't fuck the girl before I reach the tongue? You understand?
You don't know she's not tired.
Now, this same girl,
it didn't be that. Now,
it didn't okay. It didn't normal. Without no problem. Without no problem. You force this girl down to Germany. You give her belly. So you want to take better for Germany. You give the girl belly. Actually, the belly spoiled because why? The God, even the God, the girl no say, the spirit no say you are not a good person. That made that pikin spoil.
The one where you go carry that one go die for your neck. The one where you go carry for Nigeria, that one go die for your neck. Make them not say na bad head it be. That one go die if you carry am for you go die for your neck.
Now give her mercy where the belly take spoil.
Make God punish her. The new na see bini finish eh. No go and go.
If you are going to die,
I don't know what Bini get see for their body. I don't know what they fight they go. I don't know what they see for those evil people body. If they dash me I go pour speed throw away them. Because I mean I not right from time, I don't like them. They're not good. What you know they tell them they do? I don't know. They're not that important.
Run away. You see must not be your own. A ball what vision.
Come, Agbo na Igbo.
They can't see now. Say you don't carry
Igbo. They claim Igbo.
Not big Igbo.
Bros, that guy not be Igbo guy.
Not be Igbo.
Okay.
That guy not be Igbo.
Now that I be.
Because Igbo tongue you go know.
The guy they hear my voice.
They call the claim Igbo.
That guy want send me suicide mission. That want send me.
Host. I get what it to tell you. The guy go still they listen to us now. The message where I get for the guy, I want the guy to understand he has
bros, wait to this woman now when they get in name now, he put money for the woman.
Bros. I beg, make I just drop this message. Make I drop this message for the guy. The guy is listening.
Okay, woman when no put money for her head. I should feel carry your name.
He has unfinished business with the girl because the girl fit dey carry him name. You see the carry him name, they go. If to say things they well, if for still dey with Joy today. But now when Joy don dey craze, Joy no dey line again. Which means that man
that guy the craze. God will punish
the other girl alongside with Joy. You understand? So that's why I feel
I don't know what they worry. I don't know what they worry some men.
So the problem with this guy now, I expected this guy to come back to apologize and make the headway of how this girl go Nigeria. Not this one when they do kati. So if I thought the family of these people go contribute for the you know, I mentioned this thing that day. When this other our brother who won contribute, I tell you, say people go they come. People go they come one after the other.
People go they come now one after the other now.
Bros, non vessel. The family of the girl know the man house for Nigeria.
This is that they
don't know. As they drag and go, they drag the family of this girl too. They are the family of this girl too. They are terrible as well.
Even some women said that even some women.
You see where women for made mistake. You're not gonna play person name when you don't know from Adam. You don't know from anywhere.
Just tire some women. Whether now you do, I don't know. You the beer man, they don't know the man. They should know what to see this.
The man not crazy. She dey crazy now. He dey mad now for Germany now. This one don't go back to Spain.
How you want to find this man? How you want to find him?
No, I will track him. I will track him. Don't worry. I'm a security officer. Don't worry. I will track him. I will go that Frankfurt order. What this get there? I get one number what she give me. He give me one other Africa country woman number. Okay, make I call him. Before we will go
tell the girl. May you see advice our Nigerian women. If you never know man, Richard, never no
it's a lesson to even men as well, not only women, men as well.
Even
I know some men.
I
know some men. They there, but at least know the man you they born for.
They don't carry their husband name. They don't carry their husband.
You know, say this brother terror. If we block the woman number, that means I for lose guard myself now. I will not be a quick call the woman just now. You don't go remove the woman number, but for God so kind, as I talk that thing, I go block the woman number. See, I don't feel call the woman before. You say it is a get sense. I know smart. I know wise. I don't feel call the woman before. Maybe you go tell her, hello sister, how are you? Yeah, I called you before.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
How can I locate this girl from Frankfurt order? Do you know how I can locate her there? The name of the camp?
Yeah, I can give you the address to the camp.
Yeah, can you send it to my phone right now, right away?
Okay.
Or just call the name for me, the name. Just call it for me, the name. Let me write it down here.
Let me just write it. It's more easier if I write to you.
Okay, write it for me now, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. No, not say a bad head.
I say some from the money to una enemy. Una money to una enemy. Not I talk everything. This girl they follow her enemy. Her enemy, actually they follow her enemy.
Yes. Now
enemy this one. He don't run if I go Spain. And he just can it say leave this guy for Italy now. This guy for not.
Oh, this guy now God go punish and the guy not love the girl before. She you know love her at all.
You don't give up for Germany. You will see what I'll do to you.
Normally now the guys supposed to just assist the girl, bring money, make the assist, make you carry the girl go house at least. Bring money on guy, you dey work, bring money.
Good. Before the girl go delete time, I could say I go another phone.
Some men are some men too get wicked mind, I swear.
You see all those ones wake up for Libya.
Frankfurt order with Berlin, they carry the same postless side, which is the same code. Okay, 15234. That means it's not far from Berlin here. Frankfurt order not far from Berlin here, so it's good. Very close to me here. Now our postcode that they use for there. Nice. Now this guy, I want to go litigate this guy. So I want to go tell government, say, if anything happen to this girl, she will the one who responsible. I want you to show example. You understand? I want this guy to show example. Now, know me, if I talk something, I must do it.
Very good.
Yes.
I want to show example.
Sense.
So this guy, I want to show example. And I know I do my thing. If I dey worry government, I would worry them. I would go to meet them every time. When the patient say this guy, they treat this guy very well. This guy know what they do this guy. You never see anything. Now you carry matter come
Now drug when he drug this guy, he drug her.
From Italy. Why he take carry from Italy? Carry come Germany. They run liver. Not be that name, be that girl.
See the way this guy they disturb me for phone. He will call me. They disturb me for phone for the past how many days now? They disturb me for phone. Disturb me for phone.
Because,
then people I can't give her attention. Make it talk to me.
You know the park race people go house. Now you see carry this one can't give you no I'm your meme. This one meme where you could go was sister crazy people now. Now you want to carry they go home. Oh, worry about
more are yet to come. Post more are yet to come. So we expected them.
Well. This one don't come now. Tomorrow another one go come.
Boss, can you hear me?
Can hear you.
Yeah, I'm just interested because I heard you said Frankfurt order. I'm close in Frankfurt order, and I think the camp is in Houston. Yeah.
Okay, look at what they write for me here. They write me.
If it's not Eisenhofen, then definitely it will be how is it? This other camp. There's another camp called close to Berlin. It's called
this one's very close to Berlin. Yes. And then Sea Fishton.
No, what?
This one is very close to Berlin. And then Sea Fishton. Now they call this one very close to Berlin. So the postal site now, the postal site now 15234. So this postal now Berlin now
wait, let me look at the postal code. Let me just let me search it. You say 15. Let me write it down.
15234.
15234.
Yes. Okay. Berlin postal now 1.
Okay, let me see something.
Yeah. Frankfurt order. So in case you don't know, Frankfurt order and Frankfurt might not be the same. Now 2 different cities with this.
The guy for even keep for no mention saying get another wife. The thing for
no man, now that provoke me. That it provoke me, but you don't know. That it provoke me.
But you don't know. The boy marry, he get wife for Africa. For me, I should say get wife for Africa.
Now there's
he make man do. He say get one we want marry. What he talk? Get one we want marry. He don't feel the wait. He don't feel the wait for this woman because this one they create already. Can you imagine that?
You don't get what he collect for your body.
What do you know how many men don't fuck him before he can't fuck him? Can you imagine?
Him be bring her come Germany to come use and get paper.
Can you
imagine that kind of talk?
The woman wey want to marry, so now virgin.
Brother, what you do just write the name of the camp down here so that I can just easily click. Because I've tried to check through the post number. It shows a lot of different positions. So just write the name of the camp. I'm so close around the area that if I can offer help to the girl, then it's better. Yeah, I'm so close.
No, before we render any help to the girl, not be about help me they talk now. Before we render help to the girl, this guy have to face litigation first. Before we render help,
he has to come for apology.
Before we render help to the girl, this guy, I have to litigate this guy because this guy, if he want to use my brain, understand? If he want to use my brain, but you don't say me they smarter than him, okay?
You go for
person like this, you get what they do with person like this, you understand? Anyway, when they for this life, when they get problem, you understand? So that's what I want to do. May I show now the camp?
No, you about when you alone. That one way take cost you alone. You go suffer.
It's immediately you just come to Berlin, the next stop. Now the camp there. Not the Frankfurt order. Because there's a camp in Frankfurt order too. But this particular one where you mentioned is very close to Berlin after
Yeah, that's what they have on post website.
Is it
after
Wolf?
Ekna.
Is it Wolf?
Do you know Ekna?
Yeah,
Yes, I know Ekna.
You use
Ekna is
that,
close to me.
yeah, you use that.
Okay, Ekna is close to you.
Yes, Ekna is close to me. Me, I'm in
Do you know Tesla?
Tesla, of course, I know Tesla.
Yeah.
Tesla is in Frankfurt.
I was working there before now.
We have Tesla in Frankfurt order.
Yeah, I was working there before.
Yeah.
Just wait, let me show you something. Wait. Yeah, after Ekna, you go to Tesla. You know.
Wow. People wicked, sha.
So yeah, it was. Yeah, everything is correct. It's correct. I don't know why you not see him. It's correct. Okay, wait. I want to write down for you. Maybe you see him. Okay. So before we do anything like say anybody want to go see the girl, that will be my problem for now because it already know the girl useless. So people like this, you have to see them that they're useless in advance. You understand?
Go craze first. He go see craze die for you. The girl go see her take go house, but he go die for you. He go craze, he go die because he not good. The boy is wicked. Though. He not get head at all.
But this kind boy, they don't put this boy a picture now. They don't put the picture. Say, maybe they start see the boy face one time.
You know, show a picture. I don't get a picture. I for don't matter since.
Picture come outside. Don't for carry a picture come outside.
I for don't matter since. So that may wife see him. No worry, girl. I'm not worry.
Post for me. I feel say don't marry
so
before.
See the name here. See the name.
Don't marry.
See the name here. Now the name be that. It shows self. The name show.
Yes, it show. I know someone who did this scam.
Yes, it show. Okay, ma do my searching. Ma call someone now.
You understand? So now you can't put the girl. Now go put the girl. Give her belly. Give her belly. Now they can't go spoil the belly. You understand? Why my spirit tell me something? I say, may I follow my spirit. This guy a bad person. You understand? This guy will be better person. May I follow my spirit? They talk to this guy. Now make a purposely carry the guy come here. You understand? Because why? You want to send me message. As you want to send me message, will they tell me say that my Benin sister? May I go help my Benin sister? Does that make any sense to anybody?
Because somewhere he don't spoil the girl. He don't carry something, give and eat. He don't spoil belly. They don't do something against that girl for Africa. That's what they do. Now you know what he take and do. Make sure say he go respond for the thing. Oh, he go must bring money to carry that girl go as. Not leave her make go like that free. Oh, not just leave her make go free. Because what he do so, you know, for him to even come, not be say may he come beg you, may he come talk to you, may he beg you say I beg help me. I want to do this thing. He come now to fight you, to come they curse you. Can you imagine some grave human being? Where be say they not get head. No me so go dabagbo. Ni ba bofia kun lele. All those dana no gba na no wa ye all those erosion where the erosion carry come this Europe. Most of them their head all those evil boys. Most of them wey don't take cut for Africa. All those erosion products.
Sister Meme, we shall be erosion again.
Na river.
Nah, tired the talking.
I know. I did ask my sister for comment search. Maybe she will know more better.
The river while you're up on the you see that erosion where they carry. You go your pack carry the come. You understand? So now then. Now if they talk now once you tell know their character. Yeah.
You see the way women they made mistake. You see the way women they made mistake. You don't your pan name. You don't give it to person. Make the person you ought bear the name. Make you bear the name. For free. Just for free. Person will not be there for you tomorrow.
Even when you both self, you not go put. They're not they put their name for if they marry. They're not the trial.
I just tired. I waiting that they do now.
They not they put their name, Now that their name, they carry the waka.
They want beer me.
The guy don't use that. He don't use that cure in conji and the code with erosion. The code for the erosion with
erosion.
The way it that.
He don't put the girl for 0 level now. In one waka. He don't go marry chat.
Yeah, not far from me. From here. From here, 1 hour. 1 hour 18,
Garrett, stop
18
that car. Stop it.
May God
Then Nasema on the show Frankfurt order.
Frankfurt order.
Yeah, Frankfurt order. No be Ekna. It's na Frankfurt order.
No, na Frankfurt order. Na Frankfurt order. No be Ekna.
Yeah.
Yes.
Na Frankfurt order.
Yes. It show for here. It show for here. Now just 1 hour 18 minutes from me with car. You know.
I don't know what it is. Boy, this. I heard you can use it.
Yeah, even though the girl is crazy, you go to say no the naka. You know naka.
Person like that, no matter what we tell them, they provoke.
They provoke.
He not common life for a body.
Maybe not the knack even cause the bleed itself. We never know where things they go.
He don't have the girl sakpa. He don't come out life for a body. He don't have go right and left.
Get mad, people get mad. It's only me know how many people don't fuck him before he reach it home.
Make God punish and that is the verse me so. Now that is they annoy me so you go say your business sister.
He not dirty talk.
And the way the boy they talk, the bowler.
This thing for go see my number. You see my number for my page there.
All those useless agbo boys. We don't frustrate. We don't useless. We don't
they fear agbo boys.
They're not good though. Agbo, they're very bad. All those agbo.
As far as you don't call yourself Binige, they hate Binige.
No, not put that to.
They hate Binige.
No, not put that to everybody. No, not put that to all of them. Because this one are bad.
No, not all of them. Because some now they spoil one egg.
Wicked they pass. Some wicked though. Some wicked Some wicked though. So y'all they follow you say they spoil the rest.